Sir, is it correct?
Yeah. Now the next steps I show you. The next steps is that you are make this eyes and the no ear one ear like this and like this. Okay. And now with the mouth like this. First down line, then upper line. Okay, आराम से take time. Okay, so how to make the eyes? Beta, make this eye, make a circle, and this eyes line and nose line, eyes line and nose line. Then I make the two eyes. The first step, nose and mouth. Okay, eye. This is the first step. Step one. Okay, beta, very easy. You can do it.
Sir, is it correct?
Yes. Please show me what.
Can you see?
Yeah, is it correct?
Okay, sir.
It's perfect, beta.
Sir, can you please go to next step?
Yeah. Slowly. Done? All of you done? Okay. Fine. So now the body, the circle, one circle is body. Head, see head, torso, pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. ये कमर है, ये चेस्ट है, बस दैट्स इट. अभी ना क्या करेंगे मैंने यहाँ पे वन ये खेल रहा है स्लो वन टू वन हैंड टू हैंड सी दस टू हैंड मैंने टू हैंड ड्रॉ किया और यहाँ पे टू लेग ड्रॉ करेंगे वन टू सी बेटा मैं टू हेड टू लेग ड्रॉ कर दिया पहले जस्ट ड्रॉ them like this fast okay I just add hand over here see one see I just add hand to one two okay just like this hello hi good morning I'm calling from Arman Pro regarding the drawing class ma'am.
बना रहे हैं सर अभी पूरा बना नहीं है
Hi sir, myself Tapanroy, I'm working as a lecturer at College Bangalore. I call you for the drawing class sir, for the regarding the drawing teacher. So yeah, so currently I'm doing job in Disney by Zoo as an artist. So I conducted a drawing class and call you for one free demo class sir. Today evening, one free demo class. So what is the importance of this demo class? Students can understand the class process and techniques. If your kids is happy with that class, then you can decide in future to if you wish to join. This completely your wish, okay? It's not mandatory. But first demonstration, if you join, then you can idea. So myself is 20 years doing job in Disney and other studios in international. So I show the techniques how to easily draw students can make any drawing. So this technique I want to show in this 1 hour. So may I know that what will your kids age, so? The kids age may I know? 10 years, right? Isn't it? 7 years. So this time is actually for kids batch is a 6 to 7. That is a one student or two student maximum join this demonstration. Okay. So and 1 hour's class is going on, and after that students is happy with that class, then you can decide to join in future. Okay. So WhatsApp, may I send the link, sir, in your WhatsApp? May I send the link, sir? The class link in your... Yeah, I send your WhatsApp link and send few picture also. You just recognized, my message and just join the 6 o'clock. Okay, sir? Thank you so much. Nice to talk to you, sir. Yeah, thank you. Done. That much done. Slowly do. I do the color kit, okay? Yeah, this baby hand gloves. They are hand gloves, and they are play with the snow. No. So this Merry Christmas. And here you can make this Christmas tree. Okay. This baby are playing this. This is a road. Okay, this is a in background I make some scenery. This is a snowfalls and the pine tree. Understood, beta? Okay. You make your own scenery. I like to see. Please. Take time, aram se, no need to hurry up. 59. Okay, no need to hurry up. 59.
Sir, I'm making a bumper car scenery.
Okay, make some scenery, your own ideas. Okay, I really happy to see. I erase these things. Okay, it is no need to over here. Okay, fine. You just make a color. Can you make color? Can you start the colors? Your own ideas. This drawing. Okay, sorry. Can you make the color in this drawing? It's so easy. I make some scenery over here. Sorry, I forgot to unmute it. Right? It's doing like this. Make a color. I show that how to do colors. This drawing. Done. I start the color, okay?
Sir,
Yes.
should we do our
Yes. Mix your own color. You can see some color ideas over here. I can show you also. Just you guys start first the color. Okay, understand beta? I show the color, how to draw color here. First I make the border line, then this is good coming goods. Do your best. Okay, this is the hair. Make it very simple. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
instead of making snow, can I make this snowflakes, ma'am?
Yes, you can, beta.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you make one snowflake?
Yeah, I make beta. I make the snow. Just a minute.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, beta.
Sir, me and he
Snow.
just Gurta.
Hi.
We we both are same birthday brother.
Wow. This is snowflakes. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
This is some tree of Christmas. So let's we are try to color it. Okay, it's so easy, so nice. So I erasing this line. Okay. So I create the characters, play with the snow. So Merry Christmas feelings are coming, right? Merry Christmas. So how to create the characters? First pick a borders and put the colors like the pastel color for the base.
Sir,
Yes,
today we will only make the Christmas character.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
We are making more. This is a fast drawing. Take time. Make this the dress colors. I show the color also. You can start first. Okay, eyes color. Oh really? That's great.
There is not a great new part. New studies today because there have been 20 years of Harry Potter animation. Note that they are doing the theme of every Harry Potter movie.
Wow. Hello.
And
Hi, I'm calling from Urban Pro regarding drawing class.
because 20 years, 20
Hi, I'm calling from Urban Pro regarding the art and drawing class. Are you hear my voice, sir? I'm calling from Arbanpur regarding the drawing class. Hello? Yeah, I'm calling from Arbanpur, sir, regarding the drawing class. Art class. आज आ रहे हैं सर? Hello? Yeah. Yes, color. You can make color by yourself.
That's why they are playing like this. There is nothing new. So they will make Harry Potter and the friends will make a movie.
Wow, that's great. That's great. Wow. Make a movie, Harry Potter and good.
So not a movie, a series.
Series. Okay.
A series.
Yeah, it's a series. Very nice.
So yesterday I saw a movie.
Wow. That's
So
great.
which color did you use on the cheese dress?
I'm using this color, yellow ochre, brown, green,
No, sir. Which green you use?
any green if it is. It's not mandatory exactly into my color. You can draw your own color also. It is so whatever you want you can do better. Okay, don't worry. No need to the exact my color. No need to draw exactly my color. What I use. I'm using the brown color over here. But here is a black, so no need to maintain the same. It is your drawing, your wish. You can make your. You can use the yellow. Yes, you can use the yellow. You can use the black. You can use whatever you want. Okay.